Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are making delicious butter beans and smoked turkey, y'all. So delicious. Let's jump straight into the video. So to get started, I'm going to take about a tablespoon of olive oil and then about a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to add 5 strips of diced bacon, and I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes. And then once that's done, I add my onions and my bell pepper, and then I'm also going to add my seasoning mix. And I'm using Creole seasoning, and I'm also using a little bit of onion and garlic powder. So I'm just going to stir this really well and allow this to cook for about another 5 minutes. And then once that's done, I'll go ahead and add in my garlic, and I'm only going to cook it until you can actually smell the garlic. And I'm going to follow that up lastly by adding all of my smoked turkey, which is going to give these beans so much flavor, y'all. And then I add just enough water to cover all of the smoked turkey, and then this is gonna simmer for about 1 hour. Now I'm just gonna add about 1 pound of large lima beans, and then I'll also check my liquid and see if I need to add any additional water. And then I'll also add my seasonings again. So I'll re-season my food, adding a little bit of Creole seasoning, garlic and onion powder, along with about 2 bay leaves. So now the beans are going to cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. I do cover my beans while they cook, and also I check them periodically just to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot and to see if I need to add any additional liquid. My God, these beans smell amazing while they are cooking, and I know they are done once that meat starts falling apart and those beans are nice and tender. So delicious. And growing up, y'all, my mom used to make butter beans at least once a week, and she always served it with white rice, which is what I did today. Well, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.